Thank you for watching Decision Critical instructional videos. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add equipment in Decision Critical. Equipment is managed in a very similar fashion to position. There is equipment, and then there are individual machines. Machines added will automatically have settings of the corresponding equipment type. Right now, we are on the scenario building screen of a company called Engine Blocks. Let's add new equipment type. We enter the equipment name, select the department, purchase price, useful life which determines depreciation and replacement schedule. Confirm and proceed. This equipment code contains all major parameters. Let's start by getting the right avatar for this item. Purchase price can be changed here. The next thing is depreciation rules, then capacity. Shift type indicates the maximum number of hours per week that you are willing to run the equipment. This will play a huge role in determining capacity. In addition, if the equipment is used in one or more production processes, it is in this section that the loading rules can be changed from manual loading to adding of new machines as needed to meet production targets. Then we've got the space requirement occupied by the equipment and the surrounding work area. This will show up in the footprint graph and along with space needed for employee workstation and inventory storage will determine your space requirement. Operators are employees needed to run the machines. Here, you can set the number and type of operator, and you can also indicate how much of operator's time is needed to run the machine. A fully manned process will have 1-to-1 ratio, whereas a partially manned process will have a lower ratio, allowing one employee to watch several machines simultaneously. After operators, we come to utilities. In this model, we have already preloaded our utility types prices through the corresponding list in the business environment as assumptions. For example, the metallurgical furnace is a high consumption piece of equipment and uses 3,500 kilowatts per hour. Finally, we have materials and expenses. Here you can add other expenses that may be needed as part of keeping the equipment operational. And in this case, the routine maintenance costing about $400 per month. Upon returning to the equipment list, we can see that the new equipment type has been added. The next step is to add one or more machines to this equipment type. From here, for each equipment type, you can access the rules, which determines common parameters for every machine, or the equipment list, which gives a full list of all machines of that equipment type. This upward pointing arrow indicates that the user must add equipment manually. This can be done using the green Quick Add. This concludes our tutorial on how to add equipment in Decision Critical. Thank you.